This is my custom Kato SD40-2 CSX unit I bought at a train show a few years back. I've made the proper nose, added the proper steps, Loksound, Cannon fans, miniatures by Eric components, details west, what have you. I also added the Miniatronic sunny white LEDs and SMD LED ditch lights. I'll just dim the headlight down here a bit. This EMD sound file of version 4, full throttle, has a low idle, and the full throttle feature is really neat because right now I'm about speed step 18, but I'm running the sound at an idle. I'll pick it up here. Right up to notch 8, and still holding the same speed, like it's pulling hard on a grade. Kick on the dynamics. Well, 30 odd years ago I had an opportunity to run this engine about 10-15 miles on a secondary line. That is a 1-to-1 scale, by the way, and the fellow that gave me that awesome opportunity also presented me with the actual manual, the driver or the operator's manual, and the brass reverser key, which I still have. So I decided to do this unit, and I've added all the detail parts with the Loksound, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Put that high beam back on for you. Give you an idea how bright this is. One other neat feature about this thing is, this decoder, it has a low idle. You hit F4. And you can't move this unit when you're on the low idle, so give you an idea here. Try to change the throttle. Doesn't do nothing. I've yet to weather this, but what I ended up with is quite a handsome model that I went to the 9s with. This pretty well, I think, rivals the Bowser units. I had to bend the handrails, custom made to fit. I used some of the Kato original handrails and then drilled out the ends of the red stanchion and added all the railings that you see in white. And oh, by the way, one thing I didn't mention, this has a Zemo Sugar Cube speaker. Anyway guys, it's getting a little long here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next time you see this unit, I will have it weathered up. And I'll be running with the 2 other Bowser units that I do have. Thanks for watching.